Today we will discuss about some diseases. In this topic, we have to discuss about the transmission, symptom, diagnosis and treatment of some diseases. Let us start. Typhoid. The disease is typhoid. Typhoid is an acute infectious disease caused by the rod-like bacterium Salmonella typhi. It is also called as enteric fever. The disease is transmitted through food and drinking water contaminated by feces of urine of the patient. The bacterium multiplies in the intestine of man and may spread to the other part of the body, such as spleen, gallbladder, and liver. The incubation period of the disease varies from 1 to 3 weeks. That means, what is incubation period? The period when the entry of pathogen into the host cell till the symptom takes place. It is called as incubation period. Symptoms. Generally, the symptom of the disease appear about 7 to 14 days of infection. The symptoms include headache with high fever, weakness, dry cough, abdominal pain and constipation. There appears a rash of rose-colored spots on the chest, abdomen and back of the body. In serious cases, there may be inflammation of the spleen and may be bleeding in the intestine. This is your bacteria structure of Salmonella typhi. It is a bacteria and its outer covering is called as capsular wall. It is the capsule wall which covers the plasma membrane. Then the cytoplasm is present. It is your nuclear. That is called as circular DNA. Bacterial DNA is circular DNA. It is nuclear and it is your pili. Pili. Pili helps the bacterium to attach on the host cell. This is the flagellum structure of the bacterium which helps to movement of bacterium. This is your structure of Salmonella typhi bacteria. Then we have to study about diagnosis of the disease. The disease can be diagnosed by testing blood or stool of the patient. Blood or stool of the patient. It is confirmed by Widal test, that is agglutination test for the presence of antibodies against the patient pathogen, the presence of antibody against the pathogen, which test is called as Widal test. The test is called as Widal test. Then treatment. Typhoid fever is treated by some antibiotics such as ampicillin, some antibiotics such as ampicillin, ciprofloxacin, cefixime, amoxicillin and TAB vaccine. TAB vaccine also provides temporary immunity. TAB vaccine. The vaccination of the typhoid is TAB vaccination. TAB vaccine. Then we have to discuss about pneumonia. Pneumonia is commonly caused by the bacterium Streptococcus pneumoniae. It is a bacterial infectious disease which is caused by the bacterium Streptococcus pneumoniae. And in addition, the other bacteria also causing the disease, that are Haemophilus influenzae, Mycoplasma pneumoniae, Chlamydophila pneumoniae, etc. In this disease, the organs of the respiratory system like bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli of the lungs become inflamed, like the COVID-19. In COVID-19, our respiratory system also inflamed by the virus, just like pneumonia. In case of pneumonia, because they get filled with WBC and fluid, the lungs also become stiff and oxygen cannot diffuse into it. The incubation period of the disease is 1 to 30 days. In pneumonia, the incubation period is 1 to 30 days. Sometimes the disease is also caused by certain viruses and protozoans. Sometimes pneumonia also caused by viruses and protozoans. Mode of the transmission. The disease is transmitted from the infected person to the healthy person through sneeze or cough. When small droplets containing the pathogen are discharged into the air and the person get infected due to inhalation of the contaminated droplet. The COVID-19 also transmits by this method. Symptoms. The patient initially starts sneezing and coughing. High fever about 104 to 105 degree Fahrenheit and chest pain occurs. The patient experiences shortness of breathing. Then diagnosis. Diagnosis of the disease is done by chest X-ray and testing the sputum sample of the patient. A CBC or complete blood counting test of the patient is also done and CT scan of the chest is also done. Then treatment. It can be prevented by vaccination, influenza vaccine. A full course of antibiotics like penicillin, amoxicillin are also used. Analgesics are also used in reducing fever and chest pain. Then we have to discuss about common cold. Common cold is a general disease. It is also called as nasopharyngitis. It is caused by a group of virus called rhinovirus. Nearly about 200 types of viruses cause common cold. They are called as rhinovirus. These viruses affect the mucous membrane of the nasal passages, throat, larynx, trachea and bronchi. The incubation period of the disease is about 12 to 72 hours. Transmission. The viruses are transmitted by minute airborne droplets from cough and sneezes of infected person. It is also infected through contaminated objects like pens, books, computer parts, clothes, etc. And the COVID-19 also transmits by this method. Symptoms. The symptom is marked by congestion of nasal passages, sore throat, frequent sneezing, cough, mild fever and continuous watery discharge from the nostril. Then treatment. There is no specific treatment for common cold. However, analgesics are given to get relief from the headache and to reduce fever. Then next class we will discuss about some other diseases. Thank you.